What are the ingredients?
Maize, rice, wheat,
Barley.
bulk is everything. Mix all of in Nepali, satu.
That means barley.
Satu. Nepali, satu.
English में barley.
Barley. Yes, barley.
Barley का importance क्या है? Cereals and millets are there. Just cereal or millet?
Satu.
Cereals and millet. What is the health importance of sattu?
Importance. It is a really healthy food. All Nepali local products are using it, so we can get energy, carbohydrates, proteins, everything with it.
What are the health requirements? Carbohydrates, lipids and proteins.
Everything, yes.
What are the how much percentage of carbohydrate, how much percentage of lipids, how much percentage of protein in this sattu?
Exactly. Exactly.
You have to study these things. Anyway, it contains a lot of protein.
Yeah.
It contains a lot of fats also, lipids also.
It's one time we need to eat it with milk and tea. It is fattest.
Oh, so in milk we can mix it and we can drink.
Yeah.
So that will be. So ragi is there. Ragi means ragi is a millet ice. Ragi is very good. Ragi can be kept for many years. Ragi is also millet. Last year was 2024 was the year of millets. Year of millets. So it's very important health-wise.
Today is the day of eating this and solve
What is the name of your school?
Oxford Secondary School.
What is the name of the principal?
Dinesh sir.
Principal का subject का? He is mathematics का teacher है. He studied in Kathmandu. Then Canon School का principal का subject? He is English का teacher है. Then Scholar School इधर है. Scholar School का principal बाबूराम बंजार है. उसका subject zoology. He is also doing PhD. Your principal is also doing PhD. I have valued more than 200 PhD.